Hi there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm going to make a rug out of rope from Dollar Tree. Hope you enjoy. This idea came from Justin Ray on YouTube. If you like it and want to check out how he did it, which is way better than mine, go look him up. His rug is really, really cool. I will also link his channel in the description box below. There's totally two different sizes of the rope. Here's the skinny. Here's the fat. I did not know that. Now I'm trying to make the most of what I have. I have 4 fat ones. Just trying to figure out how to lay it out and what to do. Okay, I've decided I want my tassels to be at least 3 inches long, and I need room to glue, so I am going to cut my rope at 4 inches for every 4 inches. And then the rope comes apart and there's 3 pieces, and that's what I'm looking for. I have laid out each of my pieces. That is the rope. When you tear it apart, there's 3 different pieces. That's what this is. So I've laid it out pretty equal. I've determined the spacing is about 1 inch, whatever it is between my fingers. I am going to glue it on with some hot glue. I'm going to try to keep the ends real close to the end because I'm going to use the fatter rope to outline it and cover it up and keep it all secure, and then I'll actually start my design. After the design is all done, I'll go through and fray these. So they'll be pretty bushy, I think. I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna look cool, I hope. Later into the project, I learned to tighten my rope a little bit more just by twisting, and you do not need as much glue as you'll see me apply here. I just have this rope laid out because I noticed along the edges here, I don't know, too much black is showing, and in some of the places the little things aren't covered as well as I would like them. So I think I'm going to take the skinny rope, go all the way around it. It'll kind of hide it, and I think really add to the strength. So that's what I have so far. I'm about to glue a piece of rope along the outside, and then I'm going to glue more on the inside. This is what I have to work with. This side over here is the fat rope. That's what I have here. That's all I have, no more. And then each of these bundles, I think I got 4 or 5, are the skinny rope. So, let's make something happen. I added 5 rows to the inside of my rug, just trying to build it more to the middle. For just a moment, I considered adding these little circle twirly twirls. Okay, so far, I am very impressed with how tight this is. It's so good and tight, it's almost curling the ends, but that's okay, it'll be out of any walkway. So the next thing I'm going to do is run, let's see if these will be down here. I've been playing with it, see how I want it. I'm gonna run a set of chunky this way, another set of chunky up here, but I got to looking at it and I have to fill in the pieces. So I'm gonna take the skinny, really fan out the end and glue ends all the way. I've marked the thing, and then this piece will sit on it and cover it up, and hopefully it'll make it look a little, I don't know, a little sharper. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Cut pieces to fit until it fills to here. Then I'll be able to glue on and just move up that way. There's a little tip I would like to add right now. When I actually lay my piece down, I'll glue it. I make it tight, I turn it like that, make the rope tight. I glue it and let it dry pretty good. Glue it, you know, where it's tight. And I just keep, as I go, I twirl it and make it tight. And I really wonder if that is what is, I don't know, it's a real tight fit. It's a real strong fit. You can't peel it off at all. I really am excited to see how well this holds out. I'm not sure that the little fringes will hold, you know, they'll get all matted up, but I'll open those up at the end of the video. I have my curve on. My thick piece is gonna go there and have a few more thick pieces, and then I'll keep going up, but it's kind of ugly right now. It's gonna get ugly before it gets gorgeous. All of this really doesn't matter. It's all gonna be covered up anyway. That's why I decided to do this first, so my big thick one will cover it right up, and I'll just keep working up like that. N-O-P-E. Nope. Nope. No. Okay, I will be rethinking. I didn't like it. I tried to pull the thicker rope out, but it didn't. It ain't coming off. So I'm rethinking. See you when I got a new idea. It's been a few days now. I've shed some tears over this. No blood yet, some sweat. This was not easy. The second rope here was not easy to get up. The one you seen me rip up was easy because I had just glued it. The other one, I couldn't get it up. And finally I asked my husband, what can we do to get it up? We actually couldn't get this one up. But it's glued on the edges, so I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna put another piece down here, kind of to mimic this, and then I'm gonna do the skinny rope, cover all of this up. What you're seeing is mostly fibers. I got all the big chunks out. And then I'm gonna try for the little thing. I don't know, who knows? This thing is just taking a mind of its own. So, let's get working. Absolutely love the result. I loved it all until I put this in. Live and learn. I'm going to do another one for sure, but I'm going to try this, give it a little something more, and we'll see. Hopefully you don't see me ripping it out like a crazy mad woman. So my thought is to come in after and tack it. That way I know it's even. I know it's just exactly the way I want it to be, with the right amount of everything in every way. Make sure your stock of glue sticks is full because it takes a lot of glue. So I have pulled one of these apart. It took me about 15 minutes and I got a pile of them. And now for the long anticipated reveal. This rug turned out much better than I thought it would. I can hardly wait to make another. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see another rug project. This rug can really go anywhere. Here, I show it in my kitchen. I believe I will be keeping it next to the fireplace though. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a whole lot of fun making it, even though I did cry a few times. The idea is a wonderful idea. Please give it a shot. Let me know if you do. Tag me over on Facebook. I have a Junk Shack Baby Facebook page. Overall, I loved this rug. I'm going to make another one, maybe 2 or 3. It's a great idea. It's an easy technique, and I think the design options are limitless. Did you like this video? If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do that too. It shows YouTube I'm doing something over here and helps me get more views. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this video. I hope you have a great day.